In the past questions, JAMB and WAEC past questions, I see a lot of questions on the use of would rather, and examiners always want to find out if you know when to use the past tense and when to use the present tense in the construction of a sentence that contains would rather. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials. Dima Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. In today's video, you're going to learn how to use would rather in a sentence. Okay, now would rather is an expression that you use when you want to say that you prefer something to another. Okay, you want to say that you prefer something to another. For example, I would rather you taught English than literature. Okay, I would rather you taught English than literature. Okay, now the problem some people have is when to use the present tense and when to use the past tense in construction of sentences with the expression would rather. Okay, now that's what we're going to learn in this video, because in the past questions, JAMB and WAEC past questions, I see a lot of questions on the use of would rather, and examiners always want to find out if you know when to use the past tense and when to use the present tense in the construction of a sentence that contains would rather. Okay, now I have two sentences here. We have, I would rather you taught English than literature. I would rather you taught English than literature. And the second sentence, I would rather you teach English than literature. Okay, in the first sentence I have taught in the first sentence, and in the second sentence I have teach. This is past tense and this is present tense. Now, which of these sentences is correct? Okay, now the correct expression is the first one. I would rather you taught English than literature. I would rather you taught English than literature, and not I would rather you teach English than literature. Okay, like I said, you're going to learn when to use the past tense in a sentence that contains would rather, and when to use the present tense in a sentence that contains would rather. Okay, and it's very simple. Now, a sentence that contains would rather will always have two parts. The first part will contain would rather, and the second part will express the preference. Okay, now I would rather you taught English than literature. Okay, now the first part I would rather, and the second part you taught English than literature. Okay, each of them has a subject. I is the subject of this part of the sentence, and in the second part of the sentence we have you as the subject. Okay, now when you have a sentence that contains would rather and the subjects in the two parts are different, okay, you're going to use a verb that is in the past tense. The verb is going to be in the past tense. Okay, I would rather you taught English than literature. When the subjects of the two parts are different, when they refer to two different people, you're going to use a verb in the past tense. The verb is going to be in the past tense, okay, when the subjects are different. Okay, and that's why the second sentence is incorrect. Okay, we have I and you, which refer to two different individuals. So what we are supposed to use is the past tense of teach, which is taught. Okay, so that's why the second sentence is incorrect. Now, when you have a sentence that contains the same subject, okay, that refers to the same person, you're going to use a verb in the simple present tense. Okay, now to make the sentence correct, what I will do is to clean you. I'll clean off you. Okay, I would rather teach English than literature. I would rather teach English than literature. Okay, but when it contains two different subjects, you're going to use the past tense. The verb is going to be in the past tense. Okay, now let's answer a question on this expression from JAMB past questions. Like I said at the beginning, I see a lot of questions on the use of would rather in JAMB and WAEC past questions. So let's answer a question from JAMB past questions on the expression would rather. From the words lettered A to D, choose the option that best completes the sentence. Her mother said to her, I dash the dinner now. Okay, I dash the dinner now. Now, to complete the sentence, we have to choose an option to fill this gap, right? Now when we choose any option from here, we're going to have two subjects. We're going to have I plus you, okay? We're going to have two subjects, and these two subjects refer to two different individuals, okay? So when you have a sentence that contains would rather that has two subjects, one in the part that contains would rather and one in the part that expresses the preference, okay? When you have two subjects that refer to two different individuals, we're going to use a verb in the past tense like I mentioned earlier. So that will make option A the correct answer. Cooked is in the past simple tense, okay? So option A is the correct answer. So option B and option C are incorrect. And option D is incorrect because what we use is not past participle but simple past tense, okay? Simple past tense, that's what we use in constructing a sentence that contains would rather. So that's why option D is incorrect and option A is the correct answer, okay? So that will be all for today. I hope you understood the lesson, and when you see a question like this, you'll be able to answer it correctly, okay? Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. If you are watching this video in 2024 and you are preparing for JAMB UTME, I have a special class for you, okay? A WhatsApp class where I'm going to be drilling you guys on the use of English, because this year we're going to produce the highest scoring candidate on use of English. If I were you, I wouldn't miss this class, okay? Make sure you join us. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. Bye-bye.